I should stop drinking?
Yeah.
Like stop?
So the American Cancer Society came out last year against any drinking.
At all?
Because it increases your risk of 7 different kinds of cancer.
Wow.
But when I started scanning people, their brains didn't look right when they were drinking. They looked older than they were. And then I published a study. It's the largest imaging study ever on 64,000 scans. And alcohol prematurely aged the brain. My wife's a nurse, so why does she put alcohol on your skin before she gives you a shot? Because it disinfects the area. You have 100 trillion bugs in your gut. With that kind of alcohol, you're actually hurting your microbiome. And your microbiome, those bugs in your gut, make neurotransmitters. They help you digest your food.
Right.
They detoxify your body. They're really important.
No sugar.